Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best rug shampooer in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner is the perfect tool for keeping your carpets looking their best. This lightweight and compact cleaner is easy to store and maneuver, and it packs a powerful punch when it comes to removing dirt and stains from carpets. Its spin scrub brush system tool makes cleaning up after your furry friends easier than ever. With its powerful suction and easy-to-use design, the Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner is the perfect solution for keeping your carpets looking great. Pros: lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry and store. Powerful suction and dual nozzles make it effective at removing dirt and pet hair. Multi-surface cleaning is great for carpets, area rugs, and upholstery. Large tank capacity makes it easy to clean large spaces quickly. Heat force technology helps dry carpets faster. Cons: noise level is higher than some other carpet cleaners. Only one cleaning solution is included with the product. Additional cleaning solutions must be purchased separately. Number 2. Our second best pick is Bissell Turboclean Powerbrush Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner Machine and Carpet Shampooer. The Bissell Turboclean Powerbrush Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner Machine and Carpet Shampooer is the perfect choice for pet owners who want to keep their carpets looking and smelling fresh. This powerful machine removes even the toughest pet odors and stains from carpets and upholstery with ease. The Turboclean Powerbrush is designed to deep clean and lift away dirt, debris, and pet hair from carpets with its powerful rotating brush. It also features a multi-surface cleaning formula that works on both carpets and upholstery. The machine also comes with an easy-to-empty tank and is designed with an ergonomic handle for easy maneuverability. With the Bissell Turboclean Powerbrush Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner Machine and Carpet Shampooer, pet owners can keep their carpets clean and smelling fresh all year round. Pros: easy to use and maneuver. Lightweight and portable. Powerful suction for deep cleaning. Includes additional tools for pet hair. 2-in-1 design for both carpet cleaning and shampooing. Cons: loud noise when in use. Not suitable for large areas. Small tank capacity may require frequent refill. Number 3. Our third best pick is Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. This Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner is the perfect tool for deep cleaning carpets, rugs, and upholstery. It features an extra long power cord, making it easy to move from one room to another without cleaner makes it easy to get into all the nooks and crannies. Plus, the easy-to-use fingertip controls let you adjust the suction and brush speed for the perfect clean. With the Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner, you can be sure to get a deep clean every time. Pros: powerful suction and deep cleaning that can reach deep into carpets to remove dirt and debris. Easy to maneuver and operate. Includes a wide range of tools and accessories for different cleaning jobs. Large capacity tank for fewer refills. Cons: price is on the higher end. Heavy and bulky to move around. Not suitable for carpets with delicate fibers. Water tank is difficult to empty and clean. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. Introducing the Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner, your ultimate solution for pet stains and odors. With its powerful 2x suction power, the Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner is designed to quickly and easily. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable and effortless use, providing you with the perfect cleaning solution for your home. Don't wait, get the Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner today and never worry about pet stains and odors again. Pros: 2x suction power for efficient cleaning. Lightweight and portable design. Dual-action pet tool for deep cleaning of stains and odors. Pro-grade power cleans rugs, carpets, and upholstery. Cons: expensive compared to other products on the market. Not suitable for large-scale cleaning projects. Does not come with extra cleaning solutions or attachments. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Bissell ProHeat 2X Lift-Off Pet Carpet Washer and Shampooer. The Bissell ProHeat 2X Lift-Off Pet Carpet Washer and Shampooer is the perfect cleaner for your home. With its portable spot and stain remover, you can easily remove tough pet stains from your carpets and upholstery. Plus, the included upholstery cleaner and auto interior cleaner make it easy to clean, and 2-in-1 tank system that keeps clean and dirty water separate, an adjustable handle for comfortable use, and a 8-foot hose for hard-to-reach spots. With the Bissell ProHeat 2X Lift-Off Pet Carpet Washer and Shampooer, you can be sure that your carpets and upholstery will be thoroughly and conveniently cleaned. Pros: deep cleans carpets, upholstery, and auto interiors. Portable spot and stain remover. 2-in-1 design allows for easy transition from upright carpet cleaner to portable spot cleaner. Pet-friendly shampooer. Suitable for both wet and dry cleaning. Cons: expensive. Heavy and bulky. Requires some assembly before use. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.